Alright, guys, I make you solution today is iMac and is frozen. Mouse can go anywhere, yeah. So when I click something, it don't do anything. You see, I tried everything. It's make me crazy. Apple stuff. So what I do, go to the main button, hold 10 seconds, and he will be switching himself off. 7, 8, 9, 10, and take the plug out for 10 seconds. Yeah, again. Okay, so put it back again on the plug. And start and push the Swift and wait for the Swift. You know Swift, yeah? Yeah. And just wait. It take little while, but no frozen anymore. Its reason is they don't have that much RAM in. It just is 1 GB RAM only there. I think that's why they stuck. And it's lot of files. It's 2007, 8, 9, 10 models. You can see now he doing this, and I'm still holding. Now you can take it out. And just wait and wait. Very slow. It's 1 GB RAM, that's why. I know it's make puzzle. Yes, it's doing. No. 1 GB RAM. If it's 2 GB, 4 GB, 6 or 8 GB, he's do faster. But it's not doing now because he's 1 GB in. You know, there's going RAM, one this side and another this side. They have a little one screw there. You can upgrade anytime. You don't need to go to shop or anywhere, give them money, how much they ask you. Buy from eBay and do yourself. It's easy. I can show you how it look like. You see? It's inside. When you push it, if it's inside RAM, it's popping out. So when you put the RAM, it's going there, back. Like another side here. It's inside down. I'm happy with this computer. Yeah, he do everything for me what I need. New models, they not surprise me. They don't have a USB charging place. And best thing here, the charger. And the new model they don't have. If anything problem, see? And new models they can break up if it's not coming out. Yeah. So nice. So here we are here. It's not halfway yet. Because of RAM. Yeah, we will fix this problem. But there are different models. They got a more. See? Yeah. Waiting. I know I'm showing you properly. If you don't like, just make skip, please. Sorry about this. Yeah. Come on, man. Oh la la. Put my PS remote for charging. Oh yeah, sorry, it's done. It's completed. And after that, he asks you password. It's coming. It's coming. Yeah, here we go. Just doing that. You see? Now he asks your password there. So you can use key now. So I put my password. There we go. Very, very slow. And he asks you see, your computer clock is set dead before once 2008. So you do just put OK. Don't connect with the. I don't connect it with the Wi-Fi yet. You can see they are working fine. See, it's moving now. You can move the folders. Yeah. Thank you for watching. If you like, just make subscribe. Thank you. Bye.